Hi children, today we are going to solve exercise 9.1. Look, it's the first question. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Write 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Do you know then there are unlimited rational numbers between two rational numbers. There are unlimited rational numbers. We can write many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Here question, write 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Then how to write this 5 rational number? Look, first this rational numbers means this we can write in P by Q form. How to write? Look, -1 by 1 and 0 by 1. First we write which form? This we write it P by Q form. Then look, this is -1 by 1 and 0 by 1. Its denominators same. Can you take any 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0? Can you take? No. So this change, this denominator change into any number. For example, then here -1 by 1. This denominator change into 4. Look, denominator change into 4 means this 1 multiply by 4. Then next is here denominator multiply by 4, numerator also multiply by 4. So -4. Is it clear? -4 by 4. Here this denominator 1 we write as 4. Means this denominator multiply by 4. Therefore, its numerator also multiply by that same number. Then and next number 0. This also convert into this denominator also convert into 4. So we get which number? 1 into 4, 4. Then numerator multiply by 4, 4 into 0, 0. So we get this number. It's clear? Then next you look, do you take 5 rational numbers between -4 and 0? Look, -4, then negative, which numbers will come between these two rational number? -3 by 4, -2 by 4, then -1 by 4. How many rational number you can write? Only 3 rational number. Here we want how many rational number? We want 5 rational number. So this negative means this denominator 4 note we can take more than 4. Denominator we take as more than 1 or 4. Then we can take, for example, here denominator write as which 6. Look, this denominator we write 6 means this rational number -1 and 0 as a rational number with the denominator 6. Then look, this 6. So numerator which number? Here this which form? P by Q form. Then 1 in write as 6. Then so this 1 multiply by 6. So numerator also multiply by that same number. So here which number will come? -6 by 6. Is it clear? Then and next 0 by 1. You write 0 by 6 means 1 into 0. Then look, you write 1 into 6. This also 1 into 6. Then -6 by 6. Here 1 into 6 and 6. Then we get which number? 0 by 6. Is clear? then negative 6 by 6 and 0 by 6. Then next look, can you write take 5 rational numbers between negative 6 by 6 and 0 by 6? Then you can write, we have negative 5 by 6, negative 4 by 6, negative 3 by 6, negative 2 by 6, then negative 1 by 6. Then count these rational numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational numbers. So here we denominator take as 6. We can write how many rational number? 5 rational number. First we take 4, but we not get 5 rational numbers. So we change denominator change as which 6 and we get here 5 rational number. Is it clear? Then you can take any denominator 6, 7, 8. Any denominator you can write with this rational number. Then next rational numbers between negative 1 and 0 are which rational number? Negative 5 by 6, negative 5 by 6, negative 4 by 6, negative 3 by 6, negative 2 by 6 and negative 1 by 6. Is it clear? Then next question, look question number 3. Third question, negative 4 by 5 and negative 2 by 3. Third question, negative 4 by 5 and negative 2 by 3. Then write 5 rational numbers between negative 4 by 5 and negative 2 by 3. Then here denominators different. First we convert into same denominator. Then look, negative, how to write its denominator? Same, you can write the same denominator. Look, negative 4 by numerator and denominator here multiply by 3. And then you get which number? Negative 12 by 50. Then and negative 2 by 3. Look here, 3 multiply by, here denominator which number? 5. Sorry, 50. So this 3 change into 50. So multiply by 5. 3 5s are 50. So numerator also multiply by 5. Then look here, negative 10 by 50. Now we get which rational numbers? This we convert into same denominator. Then we get negative 12 by 50 and negative 10 by 50. Then look at this 2 rational number. Can you write 5 rational numbers between this 2 rational number? Means negative 12 by 50 and negative 10 by 50. We get only one rational number. Which rational number is that? Negative 11 by 15. So we do not get 5 rational numbers. So this denominator one more we convert into which number? Multiply by any number. We will then look negative 12 by 50. Then I multiply by 3. No, denominator multiply by 3. Numerator also multiply by 3. Look here, negative 36 by 45 and same as here this rational number multiply by 3. So this negative 10 by 15 also multiply that is same number. Then we look, so we get denominator as 45. 15 multiplied by 3, 45 by negative 30. Then look, rational number here negative 36 and by 45, here negative 30 by 45. Then look, can you get 5 rational numbers between these two rational number? Negative. Okay, we get 5 rational numbers. So this we can write the rational numbers between negative 4 by 5 and negative 2 by 3 or which negative 36 then negative 30. Between this negative 36 and negative 30, how many numbers are? Negative 35 by 45, negative 34 by 45, negative 33 by 45, negative 32 by 45 and negative 31 by 45. Then look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational numbers we can write between this negative 36 by 45 and negative 30 by 45. It's clear? Then first look, these two rational numbers are given. We write 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. We know unlimited rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Then here look, negative 4 by 5 and negative 2 by 3. Then first step, here denominators are different. So this denominator convert into same denominator. Here this first denominator multiply by 3, we get negative 12 by 50. And the same also the second multiply by 5, we get denominator as 15. So negative 10 by 50. Then here do you get 5 rational numbers? No, we did not get 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So we take multiply these rational numbers. Here which number multiply by 3? You can take any number. This then so here multiply by 3. So we get negative 36 by 45 first rational number. Then second rational numbers also multiply by that same number. We get negative 30 by 45. Then we look, we get how many rational numbers? 5 rational numbers. Here we get 5 rational numbers. Then the rational numbers between negative 4 by 5 and negative 2 by 3 are which negative 35 by balance. Look, is it clear? The next question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Question number 2. Here question number 2, negative 3 by 5, negative 6 by 10, negative 9 by 15, then negative 12 by 20. Then write how many rational numbers? 4 more rational numbers each of the following. Continue this lesson. How to write? This is negative 3 by 5. This rational number, first rational number negative 3 by 5. This rational number multiply by which number? Negative 6 by 10 multiply by 2. Here multiply by 2. Then next this rational number multiply by first rational number multiply by 2 negative second. Then this first rational number multiply by 3, we get this rational number. Then this rational number multiply by 4 we get this third rational number. So this next rational number means negative 3 by 5 multiply by which number? Multiply by 5. So negative 15 by 25. Then next multiply by which number? 6. Negative 18 by 25. Then this first rational number multiply by 7. So negative 21 by this 25 not 30. Then 35. Then next first rational number multiply by which number? 8. Negative 24 by